Hi guys, welcome to a video that is actually relatively on time. It's the April's Birchbox, and this month's box is a collaboration with Cath Kidston. I like her stuff, just not my style because almost everything that I want is black. So it's not usually the kind of stuff that I go through, even though I think this brand has a lot of cute stuff on it. So this is the collaboration for this month. I don't know why I keep doing this to the box, but it's very disturbing, so I'm gonna stop. This month's theme, brighten up your days, again with Cath Griffith. I don't know why I keep mentioning that. And the first thing that I got is a baked highlight by ModelCo. I feel like we have had something from this brand in one of the last boxes, haven't we? I did check what it was. It was the green crayon, which does not give it a good precedent because I don't like that. But this month, and it's a very cute tiny sample thingy. I really like it, and it's this big highlighter. And guys, let me tell you that I was very surprised about this. Like when I swatched it, which is what how I'm going to do it now for you, I just tapped it. See, like I just tap it and I swatch it. Bam! You cannot see anything, can you? And I have another swatch on top, but I just tapped it a little bit, like not even properly swatching, I just tapping, and that's it. See? And mind that this was just a light tap. It's not like I don't know why I'm like doing this like this, but like I just tapped it. So if I swatch it properly, there you go. I am very amazed with the pigmentation on this one. It's crazy. I just give it a little light tap and it just boom, beams on your face. So I'm very surprised. So baked highlighter retails for £24. Baked goodies. Alright, now it's not upside down. Baked goodies are almost always a mood brightener. Homemade cookies and banana bread. We're looking at you. Likewise, this baked thread. That's how you call my cooking. Likewise, this baked treat is an instant complexion illuminator. Just swirl a fluffy brush across the marble powder and sweep over cheekbones for that lit from within glow. Sounds very but it is nice. It's very nice. I like it. Nice color, nice pigmentation, so I'm very excited to try it. And no, I haven't tried it because I've only got this week, and this week has been crazy. I have been working too much, so I just haven't done anything really. I just try and sleep. I'm literally just trying to sleep and drink. Sleep and drink. That's all I do on my free time. Next, I've got something that I don't usually go for, but since Birchbox is about trying things you don't go for, I am excited to try this. This is the Beautaniq Beauty Feel and Tame Brow Gel in blonde, brunette, or black. I've got the brunette version, obviously. This normally retails for $8.60. Show unruly brow hairs who's boss with this easy-to-use formula, starting at the inner edge of your brow and moving outward. Use the short strokes to define and shape the precision tip brush. The vegan formula is arranged with nourishing aloe leaf extracts and glycerin, so there's no risk of crunchy or sticky brow hairs. I don't use brow gel. I just don't use brow gel. I sometimes use a brown crayon to fill in these parts that are not very decent, but I do not use brow gel. This is a normal brow gel. I cannot tell you if it's good or not. First, because I haven't tried it, and second, because I have no object of comparison. So I have no idea if it's good or not. You're on your own for this one, guys. I'm sorry. Next, we have a Cath Kidston, and I have hairs everywhere. It is the Cath Kidston hand cream, along with the usual suspects found in your handbag, keys, mobile phone, or receipts. We recommend saving a spot for this hand cream. Not only is exclusive birthday rose packaging as pretty as a picture, but the floral lotion inside will leave your skin feeling silky smooth and soft, or as I call it, smooth. It smells very, very nice. I cannot pinpoint what's the smell of it. Jasmine and orange. I guess I can, yeah. I can dig it. I can dig the jasmine. It smells very nice. I haven't tried it yet. I'm sorry. But the packaging is lovely. Does it match? Yes, it does. It matched the box. It smells lovely. I am a sucker for hand creams. I have way too many and never finished one. So, you know, of course I'm gonna like this. Come on, I'm kidding. Next I have HASK Monoi Coconut Oil Nourishing Deep Conditioner. This is a hair mask. I feel like this just comes like this, to be honest. Does it? I feel like this just comes like this. It's not like it's a sample, but it's just how it's packaged, if that makes sense. I thought this might be like a little pot or something, but no, I feel like it just comes like this. So this retails normally for £2.49. You might not have time for a holiday, but that doesn't mean you can't treat your hair like one. This tropical smelling treatment revitalizes and moisturizes all hair types in just 10 minutes. Massage. Is massage a massage? I don't know. Into clean wet hair a couple of times a week to bring some coconut infused rejuvenation to turd locks. I cannot tell you if this works or not because I haven't tried it yet. I'm honestly so bad at this. Like, I don't know what's happening. I used to be so dedicated to YouTube and now I feel like I'm just half-assing everything. I haven't tried this one yet either, so I have no idea if it works or not. I don't think I have tried anything for this month's box. And the final product is the Polaar IcePure Gentle Scrub with Arctic Cotton. If you avoid exfoliation or free or irritating your skin, then it's time to think again. This ultra gentle formula contains moisturizing Arctic cotton to smooth and soften even the most sensitive of skin types. Just massage into wet skin using light circular motions and whiz away with warm water. Now, can somebody please tell me? I'm trying to focus. Focus on me? No, of course not. I'm trying to understand what is Arctic cotton. Because last thing I checked, you didn't grow cotton on the Arctic region. So I feel like I'm being very stupid for not knowing what Arctic cotton is. I have no idea. The packaging is adorable though. And it's like a white cream with blue spots on it. It smells nice. Smell it. I was gonna give this to you guys to smell it. But it's a nice enough smell. Again, I haven't tried it. I'm not too fan of the body scrubs. I don't know, I'm very fast in the shower and I feel like this is such an unnecessary step. But I will try it, I'll just give it a go. My hair is all over the place as usual. It is getting nicer though. I feel like I've been taking care of it better. And now it's looking nicer. I dyed it again, ginger again. Because I feel like that's the color that suits me better. I'm just gonna stop trying to dye it any other color because I think that ginger is the color for me. And we just spoke for like God knows how long about my hair being ginger. I feel like this was very fast box, wasn't it? It's gonna be a very short video, I think. So this was this month's Birchbox. In case you guys are wondering why I have the same background with the same bed sheets, it's not because I don't clean them, it's just because I filmed all videos on the same day. So that's why. It's not because I don't change my sheets. I do change my sheets regularly, just that I'm just filming everything on the same day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys are thinking about the Birchbox type videos. If you appreciated it, if you don't. I feel like I'm doing a terrible job at it because I don't try even half of the projects sometimes. So, yeah. Let me know, guys, if you have tried any of these products. Which one was your favorite? Let me know. Subscribe if you're not already. Let's be friends. Put a like on it and we'll see you next time. Bye.